What are some applications of wood from plants like katampu and pine? A. Producing rubber and resin. B. Creating fertilizers and pesticides. C. Making plywood, wooden boxes, MDF, and paper. D. Making medicines and dyes. The correct answer is C. Making plywood, wooden boxes, MDF, and paper. What is a key reproductive characteristic of aves? A. Budding. B. Viviparous. C. Oviparous. D. Asexual. The correct answer is C. Oviparous. What type of organic compound is an ester? A. Fuel. B. Ketone. C. Ester. D. Alcohol. The correct answer is C. Ester. What does the positive sign indicate regarding the concentration of product B with respect to time? A. An increase in concentration of B. B. A decrease in concentration of B. C. No change in concentration of B. D. The concentration of B is negligible. The correct answer is A. An increase in concentration of B. Which part of Hydra is surrounded by short tentacles? A. The mesoglea. B. The coelentron mouth. C. The gastrovascular cavity. D. The stinging cells. The correct answer is B. The coelentron mouth. Which organization, formed in 1920, consisted of 5 bodies? A. The World Court. B. The International Red Cross. C. The United Nations. D. The League of Nations. The correct answer is D. The League of Nations. Compared to cotton, wool is generally considered A. More lightweight. B. Less absorbent. C. More insulating. D. Less durable. The correct answer is C. More insulating. Anticyclones are the opposite of what weather phenomenon? A. Temperate cyclones. B. Tornadoes. C. Cyclones. D. Monsoons. The correct answer is C. Cyclones. What action allows the user to analyze the carbon accumulation result by selecting feedback effects? A. Pausing the simulation. B. Exporting data. C. Running the cycle. D. Resetting the parameters. The correct answer is C. Running the cycle. Which gland secretes testosterone? A. Pituitary gland. B. Ovary. C. Testis. D. Adrenal gland. The correct answer is C. Testis. What became an integral part of Indian food due to European introductions? A. Mangoes and bananas. B. Cabbage and spinach. C. Potatoes, chilies and tomatoes. D. Lentils and beans. The correct answer is C. Potatoes, chilies and tomatoes. What human disease is caused by trichophyton sp. A. Athlete's foot. B. Dandruff. C. Circular rash on the skin. D. Ringworm. The correct answer is D. Ringworm. When was the Treaty of Madras signed? A. 4th April 1767. B. 4th April 1769. C. March 1769. D. March 1763. The correct answer is B. 4th April 1769. Which category of seed-producing plants has roots, stems, and leaves? A. Conifers. B. Ferns. C. Plants that do not produce seeds. D. Plants that produce seeds. The correct answer is D. Plants that produce seeds. Which part of a bird helps them perch on branches? A. Wings. B. Chest muscles. C. Beak. D. A pair of clawed feet. The correct answer is D. A pair of clawed feet. Which waste disposal option ranks higher than recycle but lower than reduce? A. Reuse. B. Refuse. C. Landfill. D. Recover. The correct answer is A. Reuse. Which statement about the Earth's rotation is correct? A. Its velocity is fastest at the poles. B. Its velocity is zero at the equator. C. It causes craters on the surface. D. Its velocity is zero at the poles. The correct answer is D. Its velocity is zero at the poles. Which organ functions as both an exocrine and endocrine gland? A. Liver. B. Spleen. C. Kidney. D. Pancreas. The correct answer is D. Pancreas. What are some applications of the chemical substances derived from coal tar? A. Water treatment and purification. B. Preparation of dyes, explosives, and paints. C. Food preservation and flavoring. D. Production of electrical wires. The correct answer is B. Preparation of dyes, explosives, and paints. When is it advisable to avoid using an umbrella in an open field? A. During heavy rainfall. B. During a light drizzle. C. During strong winds. D. During a thunderstorm. The correct answer is D. During a thunderstorm. What does a deficit of electrons typically result in? A. A negative charge. B. A fluctuating charge. C. A neutral state. D. A positive charge. The correct answer is D. A positive charge. What can be assigned based on the number of valence electrons? A. Isotopic number. B. Atomic mass. C. Nuclear charge. D. Valency. The correct answer is D. Valency. Which ocean contains the Java Trench? A. The Indian Ocean. B. The Arctic Ocean. C. The Atlantic Ocean. D. The Southern Ocean. The correct answer is A. The Indian Ocean. What happens to plastic sheets used in agriculture at the end of the season? A. They are plowed back into the soil. B. They are burned in the fields. C. They are dissolved by rain. D. They are collected and recycled. The correct answer is A. They are plowed back into the soil. An equilibrium force is used to achieve what state in a system? A. Constant velocity. B. Accelerated motion. C. Increased momentum. D. Equilibrium. The correct answer is D. Equilibrium. Which part of the large intestine is a small, blind pouch-like structure? A. Rectum. B. Colon. C. Cecum. D. Ileum. The correct answer is C. Cecum. What type of compounds can carbon form due to catenation? A. Open chain or closed chain compounds. B. Ionic compounds. C. Metallic compounds. D. Only ring compounds. The correct answer is A. Open chain or closed chain compounds. What is a drawback of the modern classification system regarding lower forms of life? A. It is not accurate for all lower life forms. B. It does not include multicellular organisms. C. It only classifies extinct species. D. It only considers physical characteristics. The correct answer is A. It is not accurate for all lower life forms. What are the 3 types of volcanoes classified by periodicity of eruption? A. Submarine, terrestrial, subglacial. B. Shield, composite, cinder cone. C. Active, dormant, extinct. D. Fissure, central, caldera. The correct answer is C. Active, dormant, extinct. For what type of food products is the addition of sugar honey a common preservation method? A. Grains and cereals. B. Dairy and eggs. C. Fruits and fruit products. D. Meat and poultry. The correct answer is C. Fruits and fruit products. How did you score?